In this video, I am going to discuss how to calculate income from profession of a doctor. Before looking into the sum, we will check the format for calculating income from profession. So you should give the heading. You can write assessee name, his status, previous year and assessment year. Heading should be given like this: computation of income from profession, and you have to give 3 columns, one for writing particulars and 2 amount columns, and you have to write first professional receipt. You will make a list of professional receipt, then you will write a list of professional expenses. So once you deduct professional expenses from professional receipt, you will get income from profession. Now we will look into the first sum relating to Dr. Puneet. Dr. Puneet submit the following particulars: calculate the income from profession. And if the table start with opening balance like this or end with a closing balance, they have given you the receipt and payment account. So this is the receipt side. Whatever receipt the doctor received is written on this side, and whatever payment doctor made is written on the credit side. As usual, we have to look into the additional information first before solving the sum. See, what is the first additional information? 25% of car expenses relating to personal use. So if 25% is relating to personal use, 75% will be relating to professional use. Anyway, here we will mark car expenses is given. So we will mark here car expenses 20,000 into 75% is the professional expense. We have to consider that. Now we will look into the next information, additional information given. Rate of depreciation on professional book. So on the payment side, you can see here professional book. So 10,000 into 40% you should write as professional expense. Likewise, car is also given. Here car 2,40,000 into 15% is the depreciation. Likewise, computer. You can see here computer purchase 45,000. 45,000 into 40% is considered as the depreciation. Likewise, the third additional information we will check. A cash gift of 2,500 received from patient. Received from patient is a professional receipt. So before this is considered as a professional receipt, and they have written not recorded in the book. Here you can see gift from patient. Along with the gift from patient, you have to add 2,500. Remember it. Now we will look into the receipt and payment account and check which are all the professional receipts. So first you can see here opening balance you leave. Consultation fees is a professional receipt. Visiting fees is a professional receipt. Agricultural income is not a professional receipt. Interest on bank deposit is not a professional receipt. Gift from patient 15,000 is given. So we have to add up that additional amount given in the adjustment 2,500 to find out the total gift from patient. It is a professional receipt. Rent from house property, not a professional receipt. Loan from bank for profession. If loan is given, we have to calculate interest, and if the interest rate is not given, here interest rate is not given in the adjustment, it is mandatory for us to take interest rate as 5%. So 1,50,000 into 5% we have to calculate, and we have to write it as interest on loan is professional receipt or professional expense. we have to write it as professional expense. Then operation charge is a professional receipt. Sale of medicine is a professional receipt. Now we will check which are all the professional payments. Salary to staff is a professional payment. Purchase of medicine is a professional payment. And all this we already discussed as we discussed professional book. 40% we have to write as the professional expense. Depreciation should be given. For the purchase of car, 15% is a professional expense depreciation. Car expense 75% we have to take because 25% is relating to personal use. Likewise, computer purchased 45,000, 40% we have to take. Personal expense don't take because it is not a professional payment. Income tax is not a professional payment. LIC premium is not a professional payment. Repayment of loan is relating to profession only, but it is no need to consider it because it is relating to loan now. Now we will cross check the format. The first one is consultation fees 75,000 written, visiting fees 50,000. Yes, then come to the next gift from patients 15,000 in the 2,500 we added 17,500. Next is whatever we take we have to concentrate. Operation charges 90,000. Okay, sale of medicine 32,500. Correct. Then come to the payment side. Salary to staff 36,000. Purchase of medicine. Purchase of medicine 18,000 written. Professional books 40% depreciation. Depreciation on car. See here we have to carefully write 2,40,000 into 15% is car depreciation. Out of it only 75% we need to take. 75% is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so 75% you can do. That only is considered as professional expense. Likewise, car expense 20,000 into 75%. Depreciation on computer 45,000 into 40%. Likewise, I told no interest on loan we have to calculate. So here I have written interest on loan for profession. This is a standard assumption. Okay, that is if the only principal amount is given and no separate interest is given in the book and the loan is taken as profession, in such case what you have to do, the examiner will expect you to calculate interest at 5% per annum on professional loan. So the loan amount is 1,50,000 we know, 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 into 5%, that is 7,500. So at last what we have to do? We have to add all the professional receipt. All this we added, we got 2,77,500. And all the professional expenses we added, we will get 1,27,500. Why in the bracket? Because we should deduct it. So 2,77,500 minus 1,27,500. So we got income from profession 1,50,000. So that's what all for today. So in the next video, I will come with the second sum. Thanks for the patient listening.